Hello everybody, this video will be a quick tutorial on how to install your first React application. This video is more a complementary video for the other big ones that will come in the next coming weeks. I do this video so if you want to follow what I'm doing in the big projects, at least this is already done. You already know how it works and how to install it, and I don't need to repeat it every single time. So to install it is really simple. You will just need a couple things. The first thing is Node.js. You will absolutely need Node to run a React application. To do that, you can first of all check if it's already installed in your terminal. So you can just type Node v and it will give you the version that you have. If you don't have a version, it will say that it doesn't exist. The thing that you can do, you can go into the link in the description on node.org, and in there you can install it. It's really simple. Everything is explained there. It takes like 3 minutes to do it. So you do that and you come back. Then normally if you do this again, after this installed, you will get the current version. It might be a more recent one than the one that I have now on my computer. Then the second thing that you'll need is npm. Again, to see if it's installed, you just check it like this. For me it's already installed, but for you guys, if you have Node installed now, the only thing that you need to do is say, not this, but npm install, you click and it will be installed. Hi, this is me from in the future. While editing my video, I just saw that I made a little mistake. So the thing is, if you don't have npm installed, the only thing that you need to do is say npm install -g. When you do that, it will be installed globally. If you want to install it for your React application in a specific folder, you just go into that folder and then you say npm install, and then it will be installed. Okay? Thank you. See you. When this is done, you go into a folder that we will create. So this is my React folder, okay? And you need to go in that folder. So once you're in that folder, you type npx create React app and the name of your app. I like to call it client because if you make a bigger application, you will have a server and a client, and the client is of course the React application. So always call it client, you call it whatever, and with that you install React. To code my React application, I always use Visual Studio Code, but you can use whatever, it doesn't matter. I think it's easier with Visual Studio, but you can choose whatever you want. We will wait till everything is installed and then we will come back. After everything is installed, you will have a little comment that says happy hacking. It means that your React application is now installed. So what you will need to do now is go inside that folder. So you cd and you drag the file in the terminal. And once you're in it, you only need to do npm start, and then you will wait a couple seconds. And normally, if you've done everything right, your screen will start to load. Might take some time the first time that you load that React application. There you go, your React application is installed. You might have also another screen depending on which version that you are on. But here you go, you just created your first React application. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you guys learned something. Don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will try to post once every 2 weeks for the beginning, so I get comfortable with recording videos and editing, and after that might do more if I feel like I can and I have the time to. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.